Bradley reports now on the last-ditch plan.
In London and in Edinburgh tonight, and probably all across this nation, a new political reality is beginning to sink in. Scotland really might be about to go. At Westminster, you could scrape the fear off the walls and the leaders' offices anyway. On their watch, a nation that built an empire, defeated fascism, that is a byword for stability and the rule of law around the world, might be about to split. If you are English, Welsh, Irish, and don't think it matters, you might want to think again, because the divorce would almost certainly affect every single one of us. So tonight, Westminster has a new offer. I understand